A free journal in the Android is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create free editor general on the Android software that, as you can see, I'm at my Android now. Here you need to install some of the apps that will help you create digital journals. So for that you simply have to go to your Google Play Store. Now here you have to search for Canva. And you have to install this app, which is Canva. Now this website lets you design all of these stuff for free. You can try using this app, and if you don't like this app, I can tell you about another application as well. So the second app that you can use is Xenia. So you just need to search for Xenia and you can install this application, which is Planner and General. So if I go there, I can install it and use it however I want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this would have 4